Imagine a world where artificial intelligence permeates every aspect of our daily lives, where AI doesn't just respond to our commands, but converses with us, understands us, and even learns from us. That world isn't a far-off future, it's here now. And in the forefront of this revolution stands ChatGPT. ChatGPT, a product of OpenAI, began its journey as a humble AI model trained to predict the next word in a sentence. But with every conversation, with every sentence, it evolved, learning from a diverse range of internet text. It's not just a machine spitting out pre-programmed responses, it's an AI that understands context, that grasps the nuances of language, that can generate human-like text that is relevant, engaging, and surprisingly intelligent. ChatGPT's prowess lies in its ability to understand and respond to prompts, making it highly versatile. It can draft emails, write essays, answer questions, create written content, and even indulge in a casual chat. It's like having a personal assistant that can not only do your tasks, but also keep you company. But what makes ChatGPT truly unique is its ability to learn and improve. Every interaction, every conversation is a learning opportunity for it. It evolves with each use, becoming more astute, more intuitive, and more human-like. And while ChatGPT is a marvel of modern technology, it's not without its limitations. There are times when it may produce incorrect or nonsensical answers. It can get verbose and overuse certain phrases, and like any AI, it's susceptible to misuse. But OpenAI is committed to mitigating these risks and ensuring a safe and beneficial use of ChatGPT. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in artificial intelligence, ChatGPT is a testament to the potential of AI. It's not just a tool, it's a companion, a helper, a learner. It's a glimpse into a future where AI isn't just a part of our lives, but an integral part of us. In conclusion, ChatGPT is more than a chatbot. It's a symbol of progress, a testament to the power of learning and evolution, and a beacon of what's to come. It's not perfect, but it's getting there, one conversation at a time. And as it evolves, it promises a future where AI isn't just useful, but indispensable and irrevocably human.